In our last lecture, we covered problem number 11, the sources sought generator. How Sambid turns a market research notice most companies ignore into a 2-minute response that can shape the real contract before it's even written. You can check that one out in the playlist, Win U.S. Federal Contracts, SAM.gov. And a quick note if you're new here, if you're a small or brand new contractor, that same playlist has a video on exactly how we help a company like yours start winning contracts on SAM.gov, even with 0 past awards, so go check that out too. Now let's move to problem number 12 and how we solve it. This one is a little one-page document with a boring name and enormous power, the capability statement. It's your business card, your CV, and your brochure, all on one page. Agencies keep these on file and search through them when they need a vendor. A procurement officer looks at hundreds of these and gives yours about 5 seconds. If it's outdated or generic, it's in the trash before second 6. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it. It builds your one-page capability statement automatically from your real company information, and it can even tailor a version to one specific contract, so it reads like it was written just for them. 5 seconds is all you get. Sambid makes those 5 seconds count, and I'll show you in the dashboard exactly how this works. Okay, I just showed you the 5-second trash can problem. Now let's actually look at how Sambid fixes that, one piece at a time using the real page. Step 1. This page is called AI Capability Statement Generator. Right at the top, in one line, it tells you exactly what it does. Generate a professional, agency-ready capability statement in seconds using AI. Step 2. Certifications. A row of every certification type that matters to federal buyers. 8A, WOSB, EDWOSB, HUBZone, SDVOSB, VOSB, Small Business, SDB, MBE, DBE. You just tap the ones that apply to you, they highlight, and that's it. Let's tap 2, 8A, and SDVOSB. Step 3. Core competencies. A simple text box. You type what you actually do in plain language. We'll type cybersecurity, cloud migration, software development, IT systems integration, communication support, and program and management consulting. Step 4. Past performance. Another box, and this is where you prove it, not just claim it. Real numbers, real agencies. We'll add a $51 million communication support program for the Department of Defense and 5+ years supporting Department of Energy national labs. Step 5. Why choose us, or differentiators. This is your edge, what makes you different from every other company with the same certifications. We'll add SDVOSB and 8A certified, cleared personnel, 99.9% SLA, proven DoD and DOE past performance, agile delivery, 24/7 support. Step 6. Target agency, and this one's optional. If you're aiming this capability statement at one specific agency, type it in here, and the AI leans the whole document toward that agency. We'll target the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Step 7. Contact information. Name, title, phone, email, website, address, all in one box. We'll fill in our own contact details here. Step 8. Document. It opens with a company overview, our UEI, our CAGE code, and a real line pulled straight from public award history. Over $558 billion in awarded federal contracts across our portfolio. Then, core competencies, and this is the smart part. It doesn't just list generic skills, it ties each one to a real past contract with a real dollar figure. Cybersecurity tied to our DoD engagement, cloud migration tied to our DOE lab work. Then, differentiators, in clean bullet points. Then, past performance, listed out contract by contract, agency, dollar value, years, and the real result. Then certifications and NAICS codes laid out clearly for a procurement officer to scan in seconds. And finally, contact information right at the bottom, ready to reach out. One page, everything a procurement officer needs, built entirely from what we just typed in. This is the AI Capability Statement Generator page. right inside your dashboard. Everything I just walked you through, certifications, competencies, past performance, differentiators, target agency, contact info, the one-click generation, it's all right here on this one page. Now, let me speak directly to the new and small companies watching this. Here's the real problem you're facing. And it's not that you're not qualified. It's that your information isn't complete. No organized capability statement, certifications scattered across different documents, past performance that exists but was never written up properly. And when that's the case, it doesn't matter how good you actually are. An agency or a teaming partner searches for a company like yours, and you're simply not there. This one page fixes exactly that in minutes, not weeks. And here's how this actually helps you win your first contract. Once your capability statement, your profile, and your certifications are complete inside Sambid, that same information feeds every other tool on this platform. Your proposals, your sources sought responses, everything. You stop being invisible. So if you're new to this, go create a completely free Sambid account right now. No credit card required. Just come in, explore the platform, and see your own real matched opportunities pulled straight from SAM.gov for your NAICS codes. You don't need to spend a single credit to do that. And once you're in, you can stop visiting SAM.gov altogether, because everything that matters from SAM.gov is already sitting right here, matched to you. Now, before I go, my whole goal with this channel is to make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. Tell me, does your company even have a capability statement right now? Or would a procurement officer find nothing if they searched for you today? I read every single comment, and your answers decide what I cover next.